Good morning, you woke up early today.
Good morning. Yes, I have many chores to do today.
Oh, really? What are you going to do first?
First, I am going to make my bed and clean my room.
That is a good habit. A clean room feels nice.
Yes, it helps me feel fresh and active.
Your room looks messy today.
Yes, I did not clean it yesterday.
What are you doing now?
I am picking up my clothes and arranging my books.
Are you also cleaning the floor?
Yes, after that, I will sweep and mop the floor.
Cleaning takes time, but it feels good later.
That is true. I feel relaxed after cleaning.
Are you free now?
No, I am doing kitchen work.
What chores are you doing in the kitchen?
I am washing the dishes and cleaning the counter.
The sink looks full.
Yes, we used many dishes last night.
What are you doing with these clothes?
I am sorting the clothes for washing.
Why are you separating them?
Light-colored and dark-colored clothes need to be washed separately.
That is smart.
After washing, I will hang them to dry.
Laundry is a big chore.
Yes, but it is important.
You are still busy.
Yes, now I am dusting the furniture.
The house looks cleaner already.
Thank you. I also need to water the plants.
Plants need daily care.
Yes, they make the home fresh and beautiful.
You finished all your chores?
Yes, finally everything is done.
How do you feel now?
I feel tired, but also happy and relaxed.
Doing chores is hard work.
Yes, but it teaches responsibility.
Everyone should help at home.
I agree. A clean home makes everyone happy.